probably wrote 40 this year, and I probably really focused on 4 or 5 of them that would make it. I cut 17 songs, and there'll be 11 that'll actually make the album. So every year, it's amazing just how many songs don't get heard. Sadly.
That's Gary's cup.
Floating along like a bottle in the water, soft down here, feels a little hotter, burning away today, 'cause I ain't got no more. Some kind of talk about stone white beaches, nobody here practice what they preach is. The truth ain't what I'm reaching for. Well, in the distance I hear tequila talk, the college chicks in the parking lot. I just lay here staring up at God. Sand in my soul, beer in my veins, let my hair grow. Room 108, getting over you. I ain't even gonna try, 'cause I'm on a roll, filling up this hole. Sand in my soul. Different shades, never getting rattled, spent all day building you a castle. It's okay if you back in the saddle at home, back home. I hate to say I'm glad you broke my heart, and I hate to say it tear me apart. I love the way this tiki bar somehow never closed. Sand in my soul, beer in my veins, let my hair grow. Tequila talk, college chicks in the parking lot. Well, I just lay here staring up at God. Sand in my soul, beer in my veins, let my hair grow, down to my waist. Getting over you, I ain't even gonna try, 'cause I wanna grow. This hole, sand in my soul, sand in my soul.